If you want to transfer data from your old phone to POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, in that case we can use an app that is called MI Mover, which we have pre-installed on our POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max. Of course, on your old phone you need to make sure that you have exactly the same app installed. So in case you have, or your previous old phone is a Xiaomi smartphone or POCO or Redmi, then in that case there is a high chance that you can actually find exactly the same app already installed. In the case of any other Android smartphone or in the case of iPhone, you will have to download the app from the Play Store or App Store. So if you need to find it, if you need to download it, just open the Play Store or App Store and just search for MI Mover. And then you should be able to find the app. Although the icon might look slightly different, this is the app that you're looking for. So of course, I'm gonna also need to update it, but that is not a problem. So of course we're gonna use it because that allows us to skip downloading another app for our phone on our POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max. So in here we need to agree to all the necessary permissions. I'm gonna also open the app on the old phone. And now it is pretty straightforward on our phone. On our POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, we need to select that this is our new phone. We want to receive items on here. On our old phone, we want to select that this is our old device, so we want to send files. Now here we need to select what is the type of our old device. Of course, if you have Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO, then you want to select the first option. For the rest of Android smartphones, you want to choose Android, and of course for iPhones, you want to choose Apple. So in my case, I'm gonna choose Xiaomi and Redmi. So let's just quickly do that. If you select, for example, an Android option or the Android option, then you will have the information that you have to download the app. But of course, since we have already downloaded, you should be able to skip it. So let me just quickly show you. In that case, there we go. We have this QR code, so you can just tap on installed. Then the hotspot is created by the phone, and we have to, of course, wait for the POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max to appear on our old phone, and then you should be able to select that phone. If you have issues with detecting or connecting just like that with this menu, then in that case you can choose connect to the new device manually over here. In both cases we have that option. But in my case, I'm just gonna tap on the phone and I'm gonna try to connect. In this case, I need to make sure that the connection code is exactly the same, and it is. So we're gonna confirm, and now we need to wait for the next menu to appear, and we need to wait for these two phones to pair together. There we go. Now, on our old phone, we can select whatever we want to transfer. Of course, you can uncheck options that you don't want to transfer. In some cases, like for example, in the case of apps, you can decide which apps specifically you want to transfer or not. And in my case, I'm just gonna transfer some images. I don't need anything else. That's all I want to transfer, and then we can of course go next. Over here, we need to select these two options and tap on send. Of course, in your case, you probably want to transfer everything, so make sure that everything that you want to transfer is selected. And there we go. Once you transfer everything, you will see this information that the transfer was successful, and we are all set. Of course, the more data you have to transfer, the longer it's going to take to do so. And in the case of Apple devices, like in the case of iPhone, of course, if you try to transfer data, you will have to, well, you have to know that some data cannot be transferred, like for example, apps. So in the case of apps, you will have to download them manually from the Play Store. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.